My name is Terrence Talley, and I was here to do an assembly today.
Hi, my name is Alicia Bailey. I'm a sophomore.
Well, the whole purpose of the assembly is to let students know that they matter and that no matter what's going on in their life, not to give up. And so the goal is when students walk out of here, that they just know beyond a shadow of a doubt that they are loved and they are cared about.
Yes, a lot of the times I get really upset or something like that. Oh God, I want to cry. And I don't have anyone to talk to, and a lot of people don't have a lot of people that they can talk to. So it's really good to have people come in and say, just come in and tell them that they're okay, that they're beautiful, that they have someone there for them. And that's a person I want to be. I want to be there for someone.
Do I feel if I reach this goal? You never really know for sure, but that's my hope. I hope the goal was reached, and I hope that there wasn't one student that didn't walk out of here feeling like somebody cared about them. I absolutely do. I feel like every student does matter. And matter of fact, not only do I really believe that, but I've dedicated my life to that. And that is the job that I do every day. I don't have any other thing. This is what I do. And matter of fact, I am probably gone away from my family about 2 weeks out of the month, and that's all because I believe that this job is important, and that every student does matter.
Yes, I think it's a very good idea to have a school assembly like this in this type of environment, because many students all the time say that they have no one. And then a lot of students at our school, I know for a fact, do self-harm, and it's really, really bad. And I want them to have somebody, so having just someone come out and say, straightforward, you're wanted, you're here, we have someone for you, I feel like that's going to help them. That's going to help our school and getting closer to them.